Hello everyone, good evening. Myself Shashank here, learning from NetMinion Solutions for quite some time now. I have also gained deep dive knowledge from Radhe Verma, who has a very good exposure to all the technicalities and aspects of other various range of products like F5, LTM, and SD-WAN, and Python and programming language also. Python as a interpreter programming language, which is currently being used as an automation technique for network engineers. And uh, I came across Radhe Verma as through a mutual friend, and found Radhe Verma to be very cool and calm, and very having a lot of patience to explain the technicalities in a very layman language, so that the other person, if at all is a dumb person, they can grasp it. They can grasp it very easily. So, in a very layman terms, Radhe does explain the technicalities, so which is a very nice thing about him. And I have learned a lot of technologies from him, like as I said, SD-WAN, Viptela product module from Radhe Verma, and Python as an interpreter language, and the enterprise infrastructure, Cisco enterprise infrastructure module from NetMinion, and got to know about other product modules like F5 as well. I have learned F5 LTM module from Radhe Verma as well. So it was a very great learning experience with NetMinion Solutions, and would like to learn many new things, and many new things and products from NetMinion Solutions. And also, I got recently placed in a very good company, multinational company. So it was a very it was a support from the team which I received. Based on that, I got placed. Thank you so much, with a great vote of thanks. Would like to extend my vote of thanks to you and your team. I will look forward to learn many new things from you. Thank you.